Hi, welcome back viewers in new video today. Now I'm telling you about how to connect your smart lock Tuya Q7-5SPG with your mobile. Just press one hash and the network is starting, and just go to your mobile and open the mobile application Tuya Smart and go to add device, and then press sensors and sensor Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi and add blink quickly, and just switch your network 5G to 2.4G. When you switch your network, then it is coming on your screen like this, and just press next, and it will take little bit time, approximately one minute or 2 minutes like this. After that it will connect it, and you can operate your smart lock with your mobile to open with the mobile. If someone come to your door and just ring the bell, and you can open by mobile remotely.
Operation succeeded.
After operation succeeded, it will connect it, and you just see and see there is the logo coming, Tuya 5SPG. Just press on it, and the remaining loading, when the remaining load is completed, then there is a new window open in your mobile, and you can see there is the member management, temporary password. You can also generate temporary online password from here. Just press time limit, and you can add the password and also generate randomly, and there you write name to whom you give your password, that is temporary password, and there is the effective time, and there is the expiration time. You just change the time duration and take screenshot or save this password in your mobile, then save it. Okay, because you cannot see in your mobile, you just remember this one. When someone ring the bell like this,
Requesting remote unlocked.
request is coming. See, and also you can see the small video that is coming, and also you can open with your mobile when someone ring the bell. Like this.
Requesting remote unlocked.
And you when someone ring the bell, just same notification come to your mobile, and you just open the notification and just swipe with your mobile like accepting a call, then you can open your door with your mobile. Okay, thank you.